Johnny.
Okay, this is our little.
Turn him around.
It's who?
Turn him around.
It's
Turn
Skeepideep.
him around.
And
This
wait,
is our
raise it up a
little
little bit because he's blending against my purse. Okay, this is Skeepideep. And he's our little lay chip bird. And this is T, our narrator. And now he's going for the worm, aka Shawnee's tongue. Appetizing. On this Darius Thornton.
Come on.
Fuck him.
Go to me.
Oh.
No, to the bird.
Oh, it's right.
Once upon a time, on a windy and stormy night, a hungry bird named wanted a bite.
A juicy fat worm in the morning delight.
Oh, I think
There's a worm.
that's motherfucking word. Hello.
The bird got bamboozled. On film. Credits. The worm / predator, played by Shawnee Eggleston. the dumbass chip bird, played by T, representing Kansas City. Ew.
Hey, we Detroit over here.
And me, the director, Nikki.
Breathe. Oh shit, she almost bit my feet.
She jumped back so fast. Me, the director,
Oh my
Nikki.
I'm just Shawnee from Detroit. For God, this silly.
We are the cast, and I'm the director / narrator.
Oh
I
my God.
I am the sister.
That was funny as hell.
I am the red, orange, and yellow.
I am the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Actually, it's indigo Friday, but who's getting technical?
Who gives the fuck?
Okay,
Not
bye.
I.
Bye,
This
everybody.
is T. Say bye, T. Hey, make the face.
Hey, my bird.
Oh.
I'm gonna miss
In memory of.
Bye.
Let's have a moment of silence.
Chop, chop.
Ooh, chip.
Hold on.
Just end it now.
End it.